Hey, remember Apple 3D Touch? Introduced with the iPhone 6s a decade ago, yes, time flies, 3D Touch allowed your iPhone to detect pressure of how hard you pressed on your screen. And Apple added things like allowing you to peek into apps by pressing harder on them, or maybe something more innovative was pressure-sensitive drawing, simulating how it would actually feel to draw with a real pencil or something. More cool, however, was how game developers utilized 3D Touch, as some games allowed you to more gradually control your character. However, in 2018, 3D Touch was killed by Apple. Why? Well, great question there, cowboy. It's because 3D Touch right out of the gate wasn't on every iPhone. In fact, some Apple devices like iPads and even the budget iPhone SE did not feature 3D Touch. This made things tricky for developers having to develop an extra feature just to satisfy those new buyers. Speaking of those new buyers, they really didn't utilize those 3D Touch features, and so Apple just replaced 3D Touch with a far much more simpler technology called haptic touch, which basically used software to simulate what 3D Touch was doing, and honestly, it did that pretty well. That being said, I still feel like 3D Touch should still be available on iPads, as that pressure-sensitive drawing function is pretty awesome for artists.